In this video, I'm going to talk about data formatting. Also, please subscribe if these easy how-to videos help you, and let's get into it. So, data formatting allows us to change the appearance or the presentation of data in the worksheet. I'm going to go over how to adjust things like the font, the background color, number formatting, and borders, and I'm going to turn this boring-looking worksheet into something that's a little bit easier to read and understand. So first, I'll quickly walk through where these tools are going to be found in the Excel document. Here at the top, under the Home tab, we have options to bold, italicize, and underline text. You also have the option here to change the font size, the text color, and the cell color as well. On the right of that, we have some alignment tools, and these are going to allow you to add indentations to your text, and also change if the text is centered or left aligned or right aligned. We also have ways to merge multiple cells into a single cell and to wrap that text as well. And then to the right of that, we have some number formatting tools. And these are going to allow us to make our data look like currency or percentages or decimals. And I'm going to show all of this with an example so it's easier to understand as well. So to start off, I don't like how the totals in column G don't look like a currency. So I'm going to select all of column G, and I'm going to apply the currency format. And wherever there's a number, it's going to add that $sign for me. I also want to change the column headers so that they are centered in the cell rather than being on the left. So I'm going to highlight all of the column headers, and I'll hit the centered alignment up top. Next, I want my column headers to be boxed. So I'm going to highlight them and then add a box around them as well. Here at the top, you can select what kind of border you want to add. I'm going to do just outside borders only, so it looks like this. I'm going to go ahead and add a box to the entire data set as well, so it's nice and clean when we look at it. So I'll just highlight the entire thing, and then add those outside borders again. Now I want to add a little bit of color, so I'm going to highlight my column headers and give it a light blue color. And just for fun, I'm going to add a light gray to the rest of the data set. There we go. And lastly, I'm going to go up top to the View tab and uncheck grid lines. And it's going to make this show just our data and then just blank space around it. So I could stop here because I'm pretty happy with how this looks, but I kind of want to see how it would look if every single cell here was centered. So I'm going to highlight the entire worksheet and center all of it. So in the Home tab, I'll do the center alignment, and that looks pretty good now. Of course, there's so much more you could do if you like, but I'm pretty happy with this, so I'm going to stop here. But you have the freedom to add conditional formatting or change the color of the text itself, and really anything else that you would want to make this data look as pretty and as presentable as you would like. And there you have it. So that wraps up my video. If this helped you, then please do subscribe and be on the lookout for more Excel how-to videos. I'm hoping to help as many people as I can become data experts in Excel in the most easy to understand way possible. So that's it for today, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.